Come get your wire nuts. Okay. I'm gonna go. Guys, morning. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect up a wire nut with two simple cables. I like these. Very neat join. They work very nicely, very simple, and that is what they look like inside. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but that's roughly what you're getting. So the simple way to do this is basically the old-fashioned way would be to twist those and make a dovetail end, but what I'm going to do is show you guys how simple this actually is. And to connect this up, you'll simply just hold the two connection points together, all the two cables, and not needing to do a dovetail end, simply insert them into the nut and just twist it, and then you'll notice that the connection is done.